Hello friends, welcome back to Robby. Sometimes you think you know what you want. You make a little mistake, a little tiny, honest one. And then you realize sometimes you just need to go bigger. This is the story of how an honest mistake led to a magnificent upgrade and a rather delightful $50 restock. A small price to pay for a true satisfaction. Let's see. 3 weeks ago, my excitement was premature. I thought I had everything I needed. But that side by side moment with my old iPhone 14 Pro was a revelation. They were the same size. My heart sunk. I'd ordered a 17 Pro, not the Pro Max. I quickly learned my lesson. Size does matter, especially when you are committed to next level content creation. You have to go all the way, right? I think I made a mistake. I placed the order for Pro, not the Max. Now what? I guess I'm gonna have to call them back to get the exchange, but I don't want to be stuck with this Pro size again for next 3 years. Let me call them and see what they can do about it. See you in a bit. Okay, good news. I talked to them. They say it's fine. They will send me the return shipping. I'll have to return it back to them. Once they receive it, I can place the order for another one, but there will be $50 restocking fee. I said alright. So they said just send the phone back in the original condition, and after I place the order for another one, they will send me back the new one. I guess I have to resume this video after a few days. Well, my 14 Pro gotta spend some more days with me. Alright, buddy? And here we are, Diwali, my favorite time of the year. And what's better gift to myself than commitment to being bigger, bolder, and frankly, more beautiful. So, after a slight detour, my actual Diwali gift arrived. I triple checked the order this time. iPhone 17 Pro Max 1 TB. Oh yes, this is the one. Now we move on to the main event. Let's unbox this beauty. Oh, the anticipation. Perfect, crisp seal. And there she is, sleeping peacefully, my new companion, ready to conquer the digital world with me. iPhone 17 Pro Max 1 TB. This isn't just about more memory, it's about freedom. Freedom to hold on to every single moment. 1 TB. That's a relationship built on absolute trust and unlimited capacity. This time it's good. Just look at her, the new deep blue titanium finish. Elegant, sophisticated, and with a depth that just draws you in. And that screen, oh, that gorgeous, expensive display. Everything is going to look incredible on this. My late night scrolls, my private edits, pure visual ecstasy. It fills the hand and it fills the frame. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. My trusty iPhone 14 Pro. Still practically brand new, 256 GB. She's been loyal, but for my YouTube needs, for those cinematic shots, I needed more presence. You can see the difference. The 17 Pro Max just commands attention. And let's be honest, Who doesn't prefer the bigger option? So, my beautiful 14 Pro, our time together is coming to a gentle close. She's going to a new home, and in return, a very sweet $600 credit. Aam ke aam, gutliyon ke daam. Indeed, she served me well, and now I am being rewarded for making the right choice. And the cameras. This new system is pure power. It's a movie studio in my pocket. Expect breathtaking 8K video, incredible low light performance. She captures the beauty in the dark. She is built for performance, built to keep up with my wildest creative ambitions, and built to last. Let's dress my new companion. So out with the old and in with the new magnificent iPhone. But speaking of new, a Diwali celebration didn't stop because sometimes one perfect partner just isn't enough for a creative mind, right? Welcome to my creative hub and my rather complicated love life. Oh, my dear 2020 MacBook Pro, she's been with me through so much. 5 years of loyal service, still sexy, still beautiful, but only 8 gigabytes of RAM. While editing these intense videos, she just gets tired. She can't sustain that level of energy all night anymore. She needs a rest. And there is her, my 2020 iMac, the one who takes so much space, like an ex who insists of taking half the bed, even when they're not in the room. It's time for her to find a new spot. We had some good times, but it's time to respectfully say goodbye to the clutter. So I'm treating everyone with respect. It's not cheating, it's just upgrading. My old M1 MacBook Pro will retire with dignity. She will stay in my office for a small task, while my new M4 comes everywhere with me. Travel, editing, late night fun. And my fat ex, she need to get out of the office. This is a healthy love triangle. Everyone is happy. My old love gets a rest and relax on a big desk. The fat ex is respectfully shown the door, and my new MacBook Air. She is the star, my co-pilot for all my creative adventures. So to complement my magnificent new iPhone, I present 2025 MacBook Air, M4 chip and glorious 16 GB of RAM. Now let's undress this beauty. This, my friends, is pure temptation. Twice the RAM of my old Pro, twice the capability. This young girl can definitely keep up with my energy. All night, every night. Smooth, powerful, and with all the right curves. She's a dream. Size does matter, and 8 GB to 16 GB is a significant upgrade. So these two are my Diwali gift to myself. A little mistake, a lot of upgrades, and a whole lot of love for my new, powerful, and very beautiful tech family. This is all about creating amazing, captivating content for you. And remember, when it comes to life and tech, always aim for the max side, the fastest speed, and the biggest capacity. You deserve And this is Robby signing off. See you in the next video. Till then, keep upgrading. So, there you have it, a Diwali haul. Happy Diwali.